The day many of you have been waiting for, Black Friday, is finally upon us. There are some absolutely amazing deals that I have found on some of the latest tech coming from manufacturers such as DJI, for example. So what I'm going to do in this video is just show you a couple of the snippets I've found and basically advise you that what I've done is I have scoured Amazon for some of these Black Friday deals, and what I will do is I will put a link in the video description where you can basically click, and I've put them all in a nice handy little place for you so you can easily buy if you wish. Don't forget, of course, some of these deals may be country dependent. These are obviously what I found in the UK, but certainly something to take note of. Firstly, the ever popular brand new DJI Mini 3 Pro does have a small discount on the drone as it stands. Okay, nothing to shout out about, but of course discount is something better than nothing. Some of the best deals out there, however, just are quite mind-blowing. The first one being the DJI FPV drone with an absolutely huge discount on it. This thing is absolutely incredible, especially for the price it's currently offered at. We have a discount on the DJI Mini 2. Of course, the DJI Mini 2 is an ever such a popular drone and still perfectly usable in these times. So if you are looking to get yourself into drones, this one really is the one for you. There are deals also on cameras such as the DJI Action 2. I personally have bought one of these cameras, and despite a lot, truthfully, of the negative reviews at the time, I'm really having no problems. And of course, you can get this with a magnetic case as well, which actually DJI have developed to reduce the issue of the thing switching off due to overheating. So that's obviously always positive. We also have deals on the DJI Air 2S with a small discount, and we have a huge discount on the DJI Air 2 as well. So some fantastic deals there on some DJI products, and those obviously are the pick of the DJI ones anyway, but certainly that DJI FPV is absolutely a fantastic deal. If you fancy something a little bit different, a drone I personally think is absolutely fantastic, I don't feature it anywhere near as much as what I should on the channel, is the Autel Nano Plus. This thing on Amazon is discounted already, okay, and then if we click that little button there, you can see there is a £270 discount. Now that is an absolutely fantastic deal for something that performs absolutely brilliantly in low light conditions. And when I did my interesting camera video quality test, many of you actually preferred the Autel Nano Plus to what DJI was currently offering at the time, including the Mini 3 Pro. So just something else for you to think about. Now, as things come on the list, I will add certain things. I wanted to just push this video out as early as possible to redirect you to everything that's basically on there. But of course, like I said, I will update throughout the day with more offers and deals that I find. And of course, if you are buying some equipment, you're going to need a memory card and possible chargers, etc. So of course, I've added them to the Black Friday list as well, so you can easily add them to basket if you want to without having to worry. These are products that I personally recommend and indeed use myself, because of course, you know, I want you to click the links, I want you to buy things because it really helps the channel out, but more importantly, I never expect you to buy something I wouldn't buy with my own money. So now that's told you of all the best deals at this current moment in time that I can find on Amazon. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below to some of these deals that you've seen on offer. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, happy shopping.